Hello dear students. So as all of you will be knowing that your NEET 2021 examination date has been announced. That's the 12th of September, and the application forms will be active probably from tomorrow 5 p.m. and last year it was 13th of September, and this year it is 12th September. So now the queries, the anxiety, depression about the postponement is end. Now it is the 12th of September that you people have to set in your mind. Now 2 months are left for your preparation. Now the question arises that what are the things that you people should follow in these 2 months? Well, my suggestion will be that just revise the whole syllabus once more in the first month. Just revise the whole stuff that you have put on the front line, and in the last month just try to solve the mock tests as much as possible, and parallelly revise the formulas in physics and physical chemistry. Revise the previous year NCERT based MCQs for bio and this inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. Just do your best in these 2 months, because these 2 months are going to be the deciding months of your life. These will decide which among of you will be the future doctor. So these 2 months are going to be very precious for you. So I just want all of you not to waste your time on social media thinking about the postponement of NEET and other stuff that are unfavoring your goal statement. Just put only those things on the front line that are favoring to your goal statement. So from my side, I wish all of you the best of luck. Keep going. Allah Hafiz.